Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 760 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put this in the pairing mode. Okay, now if you look at the one side here where all the buttons are, you see that power button. These headphones are currently off. Let me turn these on. I'm going to press and hold that power button for a few seconds, let the lights come on. Now what I want is a blue blinking light, which would indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? So let's see if I have a blue blinking light here. Wait, I just saw it blue. Oh, it just turned blue solid here, okay? So it's not in pairing mode. The reason why it's blue solid here is because it's connected to my iPhone. So for me, let me turn these off first. I'm gonna hold that power button for a few seconds. Now it'll power it off. Now for me, I'm gonna go ahead and press the power button, but this time I'm going to hold it and wait until I get a blue blinking light here. Okay, so power button here, press and hold it. Now I'm going to keep holding. Okay, now I want to wait for a blue blinking light. Blue, 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 blue. There it is. It's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go to the TV really quickly and just go to your home page, click on the home button on your remote, and then you want to go to settings. Okay, so move over to the left, and then you want to go down to settings right there. Then we'll go to all settings. From here, we're going to go down one to sound right there. Click on OK on the remote. And sound output is currently coming out of my TV speakers, but we want it to come out of these JBL headphones. So I'm going to select sound output. I'm going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. Select that. And now it's scanning for Bluetooth devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, okay? So these are still in pairing mode, they're blinking blue, and obviously it found it already. So it needs pairing, so I'm gonna go ahead and select that. Pair and connect, select again, and give it one moment to connect. And it looks like the JBLs are now connected. And I can close that right there. And you can see the JBLs are connected right there. And I can use the volume rockers on here as well. Now, if you guys had any kind of issues like pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.